to facilitate printing in schools and offices where installation space is limited and print operations are handled by various users. The Ricoh Pro 8300 series is the solution. Space flexibility. The new compact finisher can stack up to 3,000 pages and supports side stitching and saddle stitching. Combined with the main unit, the total length is under 1,800 millimeters. The new shift sort tray is even more compact. The length combined with the main unit is only 1,540 millimeters, allowing installation in limited spaces. Usability. The new 17-inch touch panel screen powered by Android OS allows easy and intuitive machine operation and print settings. Supports software applications that provide improved functionality. High reliability. With the new auto recovery function, multi-fed sheets are shunted to the purge tray, allowing the system to recover automatically and continue printing without operator intervention. The Ricoh Pro 8300 series can deliver professional print quality and experience regardless of the installation space. Expand your possibilities. Ricoh Pro 8300 series.